scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. GDP questions get people, but this one is quick if you focus on what GDP actually counts, and just as important, what it leaves out. GDP measures the market value of final goods and services produced within a country. So the key word is market. If no market transaction happens, GDP usually misses it. That means non-market activities are excluded, like goods produced and used at home without being sold. Watch this. If nobody buys it, no market price gets recorded in GDP. So options about government spending, exports, imports, and durable goods purchases still connect to market transactions, but home production for personal consumption does not. Well done! Option D, scan now. Trap, rushing past market value. Rule, trust the given definition and check each choice against those steps carefully.